Well, rebound from its lows and some consolidation has led to investors come back into these markets asking for more. We have seen volatility continue, but the numbers of people who are coming into the cryptocurrency space also are increasing. Globally, we stand at 300 million plus kind of people who have invested in cryptocurrency at one point or the other. And the number of businesses which are accepting cryptos also is standing tall at 18,000. We have seen stronger number continue for India as well at 15 million, which is much lower than what US is doing, but higher than what UK and various other countries do. So the kind of jump up that we have seen in India has been quite on the stronger side. So much so that India now ranks at an 11th space among 154 nations which have been seen in sense of crypto acceptance there. Strong buying in India also has been happening because there is a younger and tech-savvy population here in India, and also the adaptability to crypto saving has been quite strong. The buying that we have seen start in the past year has continued to go on the higher side. If you look at the numbers, last year were $923 million in April 2020, which stand at a tall $6.6 billion in the month of May 2021, which only has gone higher in the last couple of months as well. And that is a global map on what kind of global cryptocurrency acceptance have we seen. South Africa clearly stands tall with 32% in Nigeria, and then you have most of these Southeast Asian countries and one Latin American country. India stands tall at 9% yet again, but the major countries are on the bottom of the pyramid here, with China, US, Germany and Japan doing anything between 4 to 7%. The reason being that you have more hedge funds leverage instruments here than need to go out and buy a direct cryptocurrency. But then again, the whale accumulation seems to be coming back right now as well. A whale is a big participant which holds anywhere between 1,000 to 10,000 of bitcoins, and this number has been going on the higher side. Whales also hold their cryptocurrencies for a longer period of time. They do not trade it on a daily basis, and that accumulation has gone to nearly 4.216 million bitcoins, which is at a 2-month high. So very strong numbers coming in from there. And then the overall participation seems to be increasing as well, which can be seen in the numbers of fund inflows, which have continued to gain, now stand at 63 million. We have seen Ethereum funds do quite well as well. And then the altcoin cryptocurrencies also have been surging. So when you look at the last 1 month, even as the cryptocurrency volatility has been quite high, we have seen all the funds, whale accumulations and participations come back into this market.